Hey, listen to this. Just because no one sees your progress does not mean that God isn't working in your life. I know that that's kind of hard to grasp sometimes, but just because things aren't showing to other people and they can't give you validation for something that you know is happening doesn't mean that God isn't working. So don't let it fool you like it is. Or like it does mean that God, aka the universe, is not working for you. Because when you are aligned with the divinity within you, which I know you are, nothing can mess with you. Everything is what you make it. So, I know people are always gonna, oh, where's the picture? No pictures, no proof, and all that other nonsense. But the truth about it is, faith, a lot of times faith is not easy to obtain. Faith, you'll get your faith tested in a lot of ways, because it is the universe's way, aka God's way, of testing you. And to keep faith is what matters the most, because you hold the power of everything here in that beautiful, lovely mind of yours. I know that in a lot of ways I have definitely experienced some sort of frustration or another when I can't see things right now, right here. But the truth is, that doesn't mean that God isn't working. So I know, later on, and this has been over the last few years since my accident and my recovery being the process ongoing. This has been a thing I've been really learning how to deal with, because I know that everything, and you should know that everything is within you. So whatever is coming out here is because something needs to be resolved within you. So I got a little bit off topic, but God is working. Definitely God will never work. Never stop working. God will never stop working for you. And God is never away from you. It is within. The source of everything ever is within you. The kingdom of heaven is within you. So you keep that faith of a warrior of the light, love, and life that you are. Because if you're not, then it's just going to beat you up. and it's hard to deal with. So keep faith, be patient. Patience is key in a lot of ways. We want to rush things. I know I've tried to rush so much already. But it's not worth the aggravation, the need for validation, all that comes with wanting everything so fast, wanting to see everything so fast, and wanting to show everyone else around you what is happening. Now, trust me, I know what I'm talking about. It's a transformation period in this world. The shift is happening right now. And the creators are going to rise to lead others into truth, because everybody deserves to know the truth, which is nothing exists outside of you. So what is within will be projected out. You know. So within, so without. As above, so below. Conquer yourself. Find the patience, the power, and the truth that you are, and have faith in knowing that everything works for your good. Everything is always going to be working for you. For you, lovely man or woman. Everything is always working for you. So, don't ever let this mind of ours tell you that you're not worthy, that nothing is happening because you can't see anything, or people outside of you especially cannot see anything, so nothing is happening, because that's false. That is false. You hold the power of life and death inside of your tongue. So speak life. Speak everything that you are. Power, truth, light, love, freedom. And never lose the faith. Ever. So, yeah, and I woke up today with this revelation that you know who you are, needed to hear this. And I'm honored. I am honored to be here, to be able to have connection with you, every one of you. I truly am very grateful. Very grateful. And I have faith in what hasn't shown yet, because I know, and you know, that patience is just, it's a test. It's a test. And there's no way you can lose. There is no way you can lose. You are tapped in. You are connected to Source. So don't let anything make you feel like you're not, or like the Source, aka God, is not working or not responding in when it should. It's crazy how really how in this experience we like to put beliefs on when and how the universe or God, the Source, should work for us. And we make expectations, and it leads to nothing but the false identities of fear, which is anxiety, depression, and worry, and all that other nonsense. Crap. But you're not that. You can't ever take identity of any of your feelings, because it's not you. It is not you. I'm honored to be here to lead you. And for you to be here to lead me. Trust me, this is not about me being nothing. I want to connect with any one of you. You know who you are. You know who you are, lovely. I want a connection, and I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I am here for you. I'm completely here for you. And I'm so grateful that you're here to listen to me, to talk with me, to be able to feel this connection and the energy that I'm sending you right now, because it is love. It is love. Remember, and don't ever forget, to live, to love, and love living. Live to love and love living. Everything is an illusion here, and it's really nothing to get worked up about, and when it's going to happen, or how, or why it hasn't yet, or whatever. because it's just gonna drive you crazy. Trust me, dude. I know. Or ma'am, guy, girl, gal, whatever. Trust me, it's not worth even thinking about really too much. Let it go, become empty and one with everything, and knowing that what is aligned will come to you at the right time. Sit and be still. With grace and tranquility, the right things will then gradually come your way. Oh, I know it's hard. I know it's hard. Dang. I struggle hard with it sometimes. And I'm like, and then God tells me, no, man, relax. You're already there. You're already there. You are already worthy. You are already lovely, great, perfection. And not in an egotistical way, because I rebuke the ego. It is more of a, not more of a, but it is exactly a spirituality, divinity inside of me type of way when I say that. Perfection. You are perfect. You are born perfect. But this shell makes you feel like you're not. And we're told that we have to be this or we have to do that. And that God is going to answer you, and this is the way He works, and you have to, man, all this other, it's crazy. It's really wild. But it's all it has to really open your eyes to who you are. You are a piece of the one, the universe, the source, God. So you are. And it is inside of you. I am. No, and take that. Take that, please. Take this advice and run with it. Let it float you through this test of patience and faith. Let it guide you. Let it guide you gracefully through your trials and anything else that may hinder you. And remember to not let what other people think or anything, it shouldn't affect your mind. And trust me, I know from experience. I freak out, or I don't like to, but it'll happen where I'm like, I'm doing these certain things to better myself mentally, physically, and spiritually, financially, in every single way. And it's like, I want it to be faster so people can see it, basically. But then it's like, it's the ego side of me. And then God is like, no, bro, just chill. Relax. Be still. And know that it will come in the right time. Keep faith. And walk with grace. Knowing you have that power inside of you. You hold the power inside of you. You hold it inside of you, sweetheart. You hold it inside of you, lovely king, queen, everything that you are. You have the power within you. So don't ever let anything make you feel less than what you are, which is the image of the source of everything manifested into a body, a human form. So learn to embrace your divinity and walk in tranquility. I make music too, so I'll throw in a little rhymes here and there just to have fun. But yes, I love you, and I know that you can feel the energy I'm sending you is light, is love, is peace. It is divinity. Embrace it. Embrace the connection and knowing that nothing isn't, nothing is holding your blessings from coming when they're supposed to. And they are in the process. God is working for you. God will make it happen if you are aligned and you are in tune to who you really are. It's coming your way. It's coming your way. I'm excited for you. If my words resonated with you, if the message hits you in any way at all, please let me know. Please let me know. I love you so much. And I'm just so grateful that I have you here with me to talk to. Thank you so much for tuning in with your man Chris. It is he that is awake. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And we are on the path together of our divinity, the light, love, and life that we really are. Everything that is lovely. Mentally, physically, and spiritually. Let's do it together. We're in this together. Thank you so much for being with me. I appreciate you. Let me know things, feedback. I'll take feedback of any kind. Talk to me down there. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay lovely. And I appreciate you so much.